Hello friends, I am Harshvardhan, a product specialist from Trimac. Today we are here to introduce you to the all-new HK Audio 112XI and 115XI, a powerhouse to a portable sound with a robust 1200 watts of power. It's engineered to deliver exceptional clarity and volume for any performance. Experience stunning audio with 12 inches of woofer and 15 inches of woofer with a frequency response of 50 Hz to 20 kHz and with a maximum SPL of 127 dB and 130 dB and a precise dispersion of 90° horizontal and 60° vertical. Your sound will fill any room. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0, the Sonar 112XI and 115XI features true wireless stereo for seamless streaming and remote control. Its versatile design allows for ground stacking, pole mounting, or use as a floor monitor, adapting to any setup. Let's hear the Sonar 112 and 115XI in action. Whether it's high energy dance track or acoustic piece, this speaker delivers crisp and powerful sound. Adjusting your sound is effortless with the Sonar remote app, giving you control over audio experience right from your smartphone. The Sonar 112XI and 115XI excels in various environments, for live performances to DJ setups and as a floor monitoring. It's designed to meet your audio needs. Pair it with the Sonar subwoofer for an even fuller sound experience. So, discover the Sonar 112 and 115XI where power meets versatility. Perfect to any settings. This speaker is ready to elevate your any sound experience. So, order your today or visit your nearest dealer stores. And I will be back soon with some new products. So, till then, bye bye.